Out with you. You know, I hate when this kind of stuff happens on video. Thank you. Lord have mercy. Hello and welcome to another video. Thank you so much for joining me. As usual, I appreciate you stopping by, spending your good time to hang out with me as we talk about gadgets and tech and greatness. If you like what you've been seeing, if you are enjoying these videos, if you like the tech, you like the gadgets, you like the talks about greatness, go ahead and push that like button with the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know we have new videos being posted. Look guys, today obviously we're talking about the new Galaxy S10e on XFINITY Mobile. Now normally I am a T-Mobile guy and have been for years, but I wanted to give a try to this XFINITY service that I've been hearing a whole lot about. It's supposed to be pretty good service, and why not try out a new phone on a new network and see what we like about it. Now I haven't used the Samsung device since the Galaxy Note Edge. Right here, you see it? It's still smooth, it's still awesome. That Edge display kind of started that whole Edge thing with Samsung. This was the prototype. Before all the S6 edges and S7 edges came out, we had this. So yeah, I stopped using Samsung because I felt like they needed to work on their UI, and I migrated over to LG. Been using the LG V30, then the LG V40 on the T-Mobile network. But you know what? This phone is supposed to be all that in a bag of chips. Let's break it open and see what's inside. Now, I'm sure you've seen plenty of unboxing videos. Do not accept the seal is broken. Well, you gotta go for it. You gotta go for it, guys. Break the seal. Oh, there it goes. You've been seeing all the unboxing videos, all the reviews, so I'm throwing my hat in the ring. Let's see what we got inside. All right. Samsung, looks like there's some books in here or something. Okay, Samsung. You got the books. I'm sure that's what this is. SIM ejector tool here on the back. Instruction manuals. This device includes a pre-installed screen protector. Okay, well that's cool. So you don't have to worry about buying a screen protector unless you want to upgrade it to something better. Look at the device. Look at it. Be careful with that. I got the white version. Look at that. Now that is something to behold. Let's put that to the side for a second. What else we got in here? Of course, you got your brick. This is your transfer tool, USB to USB-C. What we got here? Oh boy. I'm excited, guys. I haven't used a Samsung in years. Now, I had every Note that ever came out until I had the Note 1, 2, 3, 4, and the Galaxy Note Edge. Galaxy Note Edge was by far my favorite until they ruined it with that update. Here's the USB-C cord. You gotta love it. Headphones. You know, at first glance, you think these are like AirPods or something, but no, they're wired. They're wired. So are they USB-C or are they headphone jack? Oh yeah, headphone jack, baby. Okay, so we got that. Let's put all that to the side. All that good stuff. You know all about that. This is what we came to see. This is where the show starts. Galaxy Note or Galaxy S10e. This is the smaller version. You got the S10, the S10 Plus, the S10e. Pow! Look at that. It's so shiny. Highly reflective. Look at that. Look at that. Hello guys, how you doing? Look at that. There's your hole punch. So let's take a look at this real quick here. What do we got? Headphone jack, speaker grill, USB-C charging port, microphone. On the side here you've got obviously your volume rockers. I believe that is going to be your Bixby button, which they tell me is remappable. On the side, here is your power button / fingerprint reader. And you've got your two cameras, your normal angle and your wide angle cameras. Check that out. Man, that is a really reflective background. I like that. That is nice. And then you've got at top, you got your microphone and SD card / SIM card slot. Okay, with Xfinity Mobile, they pre-install the SIM card. You activate it remotely via the internet, and they take care of the rest. All right, let's see if it's got some juice. I hope it has some juice. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, check it out. Galaxy Note, Galaxy S10e. This comes with the Android Pie and the Samsung UI. Well, look at that, Xfinity Mobile. Okay, I like that. This is my first time using Xfinity Mobile, so we're gonna have to do a review on what I think about this service. Like I said, I've been a long-time T-Mobile guy, and so I'm not disappointed with T-Mobile at all. And I haven't switched, like I said. Ooh, let's get started. Hey, just talking. Okay, all right. So yeah, you got to go through these setup steps. Let's just go through it together. Okay. All right, we will have read all of these. Oops, they said no, don't. There you go. And then you push next here. All right, so we are officially connected to the Xfinity Mobile 4G LTE network. Success. All right, so where do we go from here next? Let's see what else we got. Auto connect to your Wi-Fi. No logins are ever needed. Wow. How do you know my Wi-Fi password? Wow, it's already. Whoa, that's ghastly. How does it know my password? I'm already uncomfortable, guys. Okay, well, it's there.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device.
No, I'm going to skip that because I don't have an old device to do that with. This is brand new, fresh, a fresh install. So yeah, it goes through all the steps. Now, obviously, guys, you can see right here, that cannot be unseen. The hole punch, the notch, the camera opening. But of course, you've got to give a shout out. We'll skip that for now. You got to give a shout out to Samsung for trying something new. As you can see, you've got nice bezels, thin bezels all the way around. Now, compared to the S10 and the S10 Plus, these are a little thicker. But yeah, they're still thin bezels. I like that. I like that. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and see how this fingerprint scanner works. Let's set that up real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I went through the steps to set my fingerprint up. It's about a 5 to 6 minute process. You got to go through all the movements, repositioning your finger. I use my thumb. Let's see if it opens this up. Wow, that was quick. You see that? Okay, so I'm skipping. Let's try it again. People are complaining that there's no fingerprint scanner on the back or on the screen like the other two models, but this is nice. It's functional. Look at that. That was lightning fast, so I'm not complaining. No complaints here. All right, we're gonna skip all that for now. We're going to get right to looking at the device. Cool. We'll go through the setup again later on. Now look at that. Now you can't really, I don't know if you can tell. No thanks. This is a 1080p display, but look at it. It is gorgeous. Now it's a flat screen as opposed to the curved, like you see on the 10 and the 10 Plus. Now I've got my old Note Edge. Let's see how it compares in terms of screen size. Smaller form factor than a Note Edge, but way more screen. You see that? That is something else. So yeah, you're getting a great device. Small. I'm used to having the big screens, 6.3, 6.4 inch screens. So this 5.8 inch screen is definitely not what I'm used to, but I kind of like it because it's easy to, manipulate with one hand. I like that. And so let's try the Bixby button. You got the Bixby button. I've never used Bixby, so I'm gonna try it out before I say I don't like it. Heard a lot of complaints about Bixby, but we'll try it out first before I make my judgment. I'm gonna give you a full review after I get a chance to use this phone for a few days, try out some of the features, the cameras. All right, so seems pretty zippy. Nice, quick. Well, there you go, guys. That's the first look at the new Samsung Galaxy S10e. Now, as a bonus, the first thing you need to do when you get such a beautiful phone like this is you need to protect it. And Rinky was kind enough to send me a couple of cases. Shout out to Rinky Cases. Dear Nathan Hall, thank you so much for your support. We're excited to present you our brand new cases for the Galaxy S10e. Yes! Awesome. The space blue and the clear. Get those out the way. Uh-oh, careful, see, you gotta get a case on that. The Rinky Fusion Space Blue and the clear. Those are gonna be nice. Thank you, Rinky. When I go ahead and do my full review, I'm gonna be sure to showcase these cases on the phone out in the streets, as they say. Okay, I gotta get used to that fingerprint scanner. So, there he is, guys. This is the first look and unboxing of the Galaxy S10e. Let me know what you think about it, initial thoughts in the comments. When we come back, we're gonna have a full review of the software, the cameras, the apps, the functionality. Is it practical? Is it all worth all the hype? And we're gonna show off these Rinky cases. Okay, guys, till next time, take care and go be great. We'll see you.